So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and we are in the day 7 of the AI agents voice challenge. So here is a detailed tutorial for this particular challenge. Before we start, make sure you hype the video and subscribe the channel. And here, if you want to just understand the complete challenge, here is the playlist from day 1 to day 5 and 6. All things are covered over here. You can just explore the playlist over here. Okay, one more important thing I wanted to share, that if you directly come to this solution, you won't be able to complete it. Make sure you watch this video. Okay, day 1, get your starter guide. Make sure you watch it, otherwise you won't be able to complete the challenge. So in the day 7, we have to make a food grocery ordering voice agent. Okay, so like this, you can just place your orders and it will just share the item is out for delivery or delivered. Like this, we have to make just a delivery agent, you can say. So here for that, I have updated the file also, and let's do a quick demo and let's understand how it will be done. So make sure you hype the video and subscribe the channel. Now let me just test the agent. First thing, I'll share the main repo also. Here for starting the server, you have to come down over here, and here you can see option B. From here, just copy it. And first of all, what you need to do, you need to update this agent.py file, which I have shared in the description box of the video. Okay, you can just check it out. Now from here, click on this terminal, new terminal. If terminal is not visible, click on these three dots and just click on terminal. Now just paste the first command. Now just come over here, copy the second command and just do one thing here, terminal, new terminal, and just paste it. Okay, if it is not showing, you can do one thing, right click over here, click on the backend and just right click and open an integrated terminal. Like this, you can just start the server and terminal. Now here we have to just open the front end also. So wait for it to get open, hit enter. And here we have just created, here we are not using the JSON as they have mentioned. Okay, as they have mentioned in the challenge, that you can see all things can be done using JSON files or database. So I am already using database, so I am just preferring that only. If you want, you can use JSON format also, there is not a big deal. Okay, now here wait for the server to get started. Here you have to just open it like this, and here you can see it's starting. So wait for the server to get started, and after that we'll do a quick demo and just submit it. So just click on start call and let's wait for some time, and let me connect the mic. So in simple words, you have to just update the agent.py file. Okay. Now wait for the agent to get started. It's taking some time. Meanwhile, you can like the video and subscribe the channel. So just wait for the agent to start.
I apologize, but I am an AI assistant for DR Abhishek Shop, an Indian grocery store. I can help you with tasks like searching for items, managing your cart, adding recipe ingredients, placing orders, or checking order status. I cannot update files or manage agents. How can I help you with your grocery needs today?
I want to order something. Can you list some items?
I can help you with that. I have a few popular items in stock. Amul Taza milk, 1072 rupees. Tata salt, 1 kilogram, 28 rupees. Maggie, 2-minute noodles, 70 grams, 14 rupees. Would you like to add any of these to your cart, or are you looking for something else?
All these, add all these in 5 quantities.
Okay, I've added 5 quantities of Amul Taza milk, Tata salt, and Maggie 2-minute noodles to your cart. Your current cart total is 570 rupees. Is there anything else I can help you with? Or
Can
would
you
you like to
update the
proceed to
cart?
checkout?
Can you update the cart of the Maggie to 5 to 10 quantities?
I've updated the quantity of Maggie 2-minute noodles in your cart to 10. Your new cart total is 640 rupees.
Can you add chips Lays 10?
I couldn't find any item matching chips less. Did you mean LAY's chips or something similar? Please let me know the correct item
Yes,
name,
yes.
and I'll try to add I'm sorry, I still can't find LOY's chips in our catalog. It might not be an item we currently carry at Darrell Bishop shop.
Blaze
Would you like to
magic
try?
masala.
I couldn't find Glazed Magic Mascara in our catalog. We primarily stock Indian grocery items. Is there anything else I can help you find or add to your cart from our grocery selection? Ah, I found Lay's Magic Masala, 50 grams for 20 rupees. Would you like to add this to your cart? If so,
Yes,
how many
in big
quantities?
quantities.
Okay, how many packets of Lay's Magic Masala would you like to add?
10.
Great. I've added 10 packets of Lay's Magic Masala to your cart. Your new cart total is 840 rupees. Is there
Place the
anything else
order.
I can assist? To place the order, I'll need your name and the delivery address. Can you please provide them?
Yes, my name is CC21.
Thank you. CC21. And what is the delivery address for your order?
So by
Thank
what
you.
method I
See,
share the address?
I'll use the address you provided. Subscribe to channel 10,000. That was the address you gave me when I asked for your delivery address. Is there an issue with that address? Or would you like to update it for future order?
No, no, just update.
To clarify, would you like to update the address for your current order? Or are you referring to something else? If you'd like to update the address for your current order, please provide the correct delivery address.
Yes, it's, let me type it.
I'm sorry, I cannot directly update the address for an order that has already been placed. I understand you'd like to update the address. However, the order ID D082781 has already been placed with the address. Subscribe to channel 10,000. I cannot directly modify the address for an already placed order. If you wish, I can cancel the current order, and you can then place a new one with the correct address. Subscribe to Abhishek for more one. Would you like me to cancel order ID D082781?
Yes, can you try?
I'm sorry, but order D082781 has already been delivered and cannot be canceled.
So place a fresh order.
You want to place a fresh order. Would you like to order the same items that were your previous order of Multaza milk, Tata salt Maggi 2-minute noodles, and Lay's magic masala? Or would you like to start with a new selection of items?
No, I don't want to order anything. Goodbye.
Okay, no problem. Goodbye. If you need anything from DR Bishop Shop in the future, feel free to ask.
Hmm. So as you have seen the quick demo which I have done, so here it will create a database file over here. This is a local database, and here if you see the catalog, he can just mention it due to some voice issue. I mean the internal issue. The agent is just making some mistakes in the spelling as we are using Indian items over here. Okay, so you can type also, and once the order is placed, it will look like this. So here I have implemented the status update. Like here you can see, if I just show you that it was showing out for delivery, shipped, etc. Okay, you can see here that the item is shipped, then out for delivery and delivered. So I have just created it so that it works on real time, and once it is updated, you can see it's showing delivered also here. And if you want to view the items what was ordered, you can just see the quantities and amount also. Okay, So like this, you have to just build the agent. What you have to do, you have to do the agent.py file and just work on it. So do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.